And if you want an all expenses paid for trip to Dubai, consider running for Douglas County Commissioner. The county says Commissioner George Teal just got back from an official trip to the Dubai Airshow. Commissioner Teal, a Republican, has been excused from county meetings this week. He just returned from a 5-day trip to that airshow, which is an international expo for aerospace companies. A county spokesperson told us Teal and the CEO of the county's Economic Development Corporation are on the trip to, quote, recruit new business investment and close supply chain gaps for local aerospace companies like Lockheed Martin. Douglas County taxpayers cover the airfare and the hotel costs to the tune of $18,000. But don't worry, the county says the Economic Development Corporation sprung for the tickets. A 5-day pass is going for about $300 online. Teal is not the only metro area official to take taxpayer-funded trip overseas. Former Denver Mayor Michael Hancock went on a string of economic development trips at the end of his term in 2022 to Egypt, Ethiopia, Ireland, the United Kingdom, Turkey, Japan, Australia, and New Zealand. Those trips cost taxpayers more than $130,000.